So when the most exciting thing about the markets is that they weren't too exciting, it's been a calmer day. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, April 16th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Drizzle, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. Now, after last week's tariff-fueled roller coaster, the stock market yesterday felt a bit like a pause button. The Standard & Poor's 500 slipped just about 0.2%. The Dow dropped a little over 150 points. That's around 0.4%. And the Nasdaq barely moved, down just 0.1%. All three indexes were actually in the green at one point earlier in the day. So what's going on? Well, we're still in the middle of this confusing tariff saga. President Trump floated the idea of possible exemptions for automakers, and that sent auto stocks jumping on Monday. But on the flip side, he's pushing ahead with new tariffs targeting semiconductors and pharmaceuticals. Investors are basically squinting through the fog, trying to figure out what sticks and what's just more talk. And while trade didn't totally dominate the headlines yesterday, there was plenty of focus on earnings. We heard from some heavyweights, Bank of America, Citi, Johnson & Johnson, and PNC. Investors are starting to pay close attention to what companies are saying about the future, especially around how these shifting trade policies might hit their profits. Also worth noting, Boeing shares fell around 2% after Bloomberg reported that China told its airlines to pause additional jet deliveries. That could be a sign of more tension behind the scenes. So, yeah, Tuesday wasn't wild. But there's still plenty to watch as this week unfolds. That's it for your Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Drizzle. Catch you tomorrow morning for more market clarity in under 2 minutes.